Hi, welcome back. This is another video about Canvas. Today we're going to talk about the Canvas Commons, how to import and export things to and from the Commons, and how the Commons can save you a lot of time. Once you log into Canvas, over to the left, you'll find the Commons button. Once you're into the Commons, you can just do a general search in the search bar, or you can come over and use the filter. If you're looking for just a quiz, and you teach 5th grade, you can really narrow your search field down. Maybe I'm looking for 50 states and capitals. I don't want to make the quiz myself, a digital quiz of this. I hope somebody's already made it, and I hope it's good. So here they come. They pop up, and used to you couldn't preview. You just had to hope for the best. Now you can click on it, and it will give you a preview of what the quiz will look like, and you can decide if you like it or not. So this person has put a map in with numbers, and question 1 looks like the kids have a lot of choices. So not so high on that one. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go click on this one over here. See what it's set up like. All right, so it looks like same thing, a map with numbers. Question 1, oh look, not so many choices for the kids. And as it goes down, you can go through and look at each one of these. Match numbers 11 through 20 to the correct state name. So they've really broke it down into smaller chunks. I like this one. I'm going to go ahead and hit import, and then I choose whichever course I want to import it into and click import. So now you just go back to your dashboard and go to that course and see if it's there. Sometimes it takes seconds, sometimes minutes. That was a quiz, so I'm just going to click on quizzes. And it's already there. So now it's yours. You can change it, click on it. You can hit edit, and you can change the dates, anything you want, because it belongs to you now. As you scroll down through the settings, you can do all kinds of different things, like allow multiple attempts, require an access code, change the due date available from until, and then make sure you save. Okay, that's just bringing something in from the Commons. So if one of your peers makes maybe like your end of the week journeys quiz, it's a vocab quiz, and they already made it. You don't have to make it. They can put it on Commons. You go get it and bring it into yours and assign it to your kids, so you can save yourself some time. Sometimes you make something that's really cool and you want to share it to the Commons. So we'll just go find just anything, really. Say a quiz that I made called adding and subtracting, and I want my teammates to have that. So I just hit the 3 little buttons, share to Commons, and then it gives it, it wants to know if it's an update. If I've shared it before and I've updated it, then I would hit that. I want to go from like the beginning. Who can use this resource? Anybody in the Decatur Township, or just anybody in general. It's up to you. It gives it a title, adding and subtracting. Give it a quick description. A short quiz over adding and subtracting. Tags, whatever, computation, adding, subtracting, whatever you want to do. You can select an image that goes along with it. And you can just look for something that has anything to do with your quiz, adding and subtracting. Or you could just do something simple like math. And you find anything. So, okay, I'm going to click that. Then down here you have your grade level, and this depends on what grade level you teach. So maybe I'm a 2nd grade teacher, so I really just want it to be for 2nd graders, and then I'm going to share it. So now I can tell my teammates, hey, I made this quiz, I put it on Commons. You can give them the title, or they can search by your name, grade level, what type of assignment it is, like a quiz or a module. and then they can bring it into their course. So you can save each other some time in the long run. If you have any questions about exporting or importing things from the Commons, just get a hold of one of us in the tech department and we will help you out. Thank you.